This is a repeat sign. And what this symbol does is tell the musician that a certain section of the music needs to be played more than once. In this first scenario, we have a 4-measure example, and there is only one repeat sign at the very end of the 4 measures. What this means is that after you play the 4 measures one time through, you'll then go back to the very beginning of the example and play those same 4 measures again. Repeat signs won't always be at the very end of a piece of music though. So what happens if we move the repeat sign to a different measure? Well, in this next scenario, we have the repeat sign coming at the end of the second measure. What this does is that after you play the first 2 measures one time through, you'll then go back to the beginning, play those same 2 measures again, and then you'll carry on and play the rest of the example. In our last scenario, we're actually going to include 2 repeat signs. The first one will be placed at the beginning of the second measure and is called a forward repeat sign. The second one will go at the end of the third measure and is called a backwards repeat sign, which is the same type of repeat sign that we used in the first 2 scenarios. How this works is that you would play measure 1 in its entirety, then carry on to play measure 2 and measure 3. After you play measure 3, however, you'll then return to the beginning of measure 2 and repeat those 2 measures again. Then, after you've completed measure 3 the second time, you'll carry on to measure 4 to complete the example. If you want to watch more music lessons for beginners, make sure you click one of the videos on the left side of your screen to continue your journey. And hey, if you want to see more content like this, then click the profile icon on the right side of your screen to subscribe to the channel. That way you never miss another video. Until then though, I hope you have a great week and happy practicing.